How to watch Netflix with friends. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from How to Geek. In today's video, I will show you how you can watch and stream Netflix with friends. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now maybe there is a show on your Netflix that you want to watch with friends, as you know that Netflix doesn't allow you to do that as well. So instead we have to use the help of another application, and you have to open up your Play Store on Android and App Store on iOS. Search for an application called Rave App. Now this is an application that lets you stream services for free with your friends. So you can create a room, you can invite your friends to join it, and you can watch some of the shows together. So you can see Rave, Watch and Party together. Make sure to download this application. After you download it, open it up and log in or create a Rave account. Now you can log in with your Google account and so on, and you also have to log in with your Netflix account. So whenever you're trying to watch something, it will ask you to log in with your Netflix account. So you can see some of the shows that people are already watching. So you can see some Netflix and so on. You can just go ahead and just simply select any of the servers over here that people are currently watching, and make sure you are logged into your Netflix account. And once you do so, over here you will be able to see the video and the movie actually starts to play. You can also make your own party and make sure that others also join it. So as you can see, there are people chatting over here, and there is also the app just playing that service for you. Now what you can also do is you can join your own one by tapping on the plus button. So let's say you want to stream Netflix with friends, tap on Netflix. Make sure that you log into your Netflix account, by the way, because if you don't have a Netflix account, obviously you will not be able to stream with friends. So just select any of the movies or shows that you want to stream with your friends together. You can just go ahead and invite anybody as well. So once you do so, and if people are there on your party and so on, you can just go ahead and tap on the invite button, or just tap on the invite button over here. Now your friends also need to have the Rave app, because if they don't have the Rave app, they will not be able to do this. You can go to the contact section to invite some of your friends over here, and then simply watch together in that way. That's all it takes to watch Netflix together with friends. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.